In this quick win video, I'm going to show you just how easily you can introduce any of your students to Piano Man by Billy Joel using just 5 root position chords in the right hand and a simple left hand descending bass line. So what you need to do is explain to your student that we're going to be playing chords in the right hand. So just C chord firstly, we'll then have an A minor chord, we'll also have F, D major, and G. And they're the only chords that the student needs to know. Now, if you're unsure about how to teach students how to find and play chords, then I've got lots of other resources on my website for that. So I'm not going to go into that today. For the left hand, the student just needs to walk down a C major scale from C, B, down to D, and then they're going to go up to G. And then the second time, it's almost the same. Go down to F, up to G, and then back to C. And that's all it is. So it's just the notes of a C major scale. It's actually really helpful. Students can be putting the C major scale into practice in a fun piece of music. So when we put it together, I'll get students to just don't worry about the rhythm so much as just getting their hands together and playing the right things. So C chord with C in the left hand drops down one. I'm still playing C in the right hand, and then I move down to A minor. Left hand goes down one. Now I go to F with both hands, F major chord, right hand. Left hand down to E, then D major, and finally G. And the second time it's much the same. When we get to F, we go up one to G, and then we finish on C. So that's one of the first few steps of this. When it comes to adding the rhythm, it's in 3/4. So something simple like left, right, right, left, right, right is probably the simplest way to do it. And the great thing is that this piece of music is originally in C major, so a student who can do that can actually play along to Billy Joel's original track. So I hope that was useful for you. If you found this quick win video helpful, then please click the share button. And if you're on YouTube, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like more teaching resources, lesson plans, downloads, videos, and my full course about teaching pop music, then head to timtopham.com/community.